I hope you are safe. If you like this video, then do like, share, and comment. To view more interesting videos, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Today's topic, the Bhagavad Gita series, Part 1. What is life? Once time, Arjun asked to Krishna, Lord, what is life? What is the meaning of life? This body, which is still alive, is this life? Tell me the meaning of life. Krishna smiled and said, which you are understand as life, it is just a living being. Krishna say, Arjun, if you want to understand the life, then first you understand living being. Then Arjun asked, Lord, what is the difference of life and living being? Please tell me. Krishna smiled and said, Okay, I tell you the difference of life and living being. Living being is that who take birth, which has a form, who can feel any type of experience, which can be seen, who can speak, who can walk, who can laugh, who can cry, whose age is determined, which gets bigger every day, which make someone else feel safe, happy and joyful. And without it, there is sorrow, pain and suffering. And who can die? The all is living being, and living being have the same process: take birth, grow up, and die. Arjun started thinking and asked, when all are living being, then what is life? Krishna said, life is something that is neither born or nor its death. Neither she appears, nor she can speak, nor she can stop, nor she can walk, nor she can laugh, nor she can cry, and neither its process is same. Life change every day. This is life. Arjun asked, Lord, which we consider life, what is that? It that living being or life? Krishna said, the way a human being understand life, it is just a proof of survival of a living being. But they do not know that ever since the creation of this universe, the living being has been born and has been dying. But life is still with everyone, was with everyone before also, and will be with everyone forever. Arjun asked Lord, when life is endless, so why does human consider it is to be the end? Krishna smiled and said, human only think about himself. He think his life will end after his death, but he does not know that life is not affected by his birth and death. Life is an unimaginative process. Then not everyone understand it. That's why people express happiness at birth and sorrow at death. If humans assume that life and death are same, it has no any effect on life than that human attain ultimate peace. Arjun asked Lord, what should a human do to experience the life correctly? Krishna said, Arjun, if a human want to experience life properly, then he must first know the truth of life and living being. Arjun asked, what is true and what is false? Krishna said, the body of human, which he called me, that is living, but human consider the living being as life. This is false, because living being may die but not life. Therefore, human has no understand the meaning of life or living being properly. Arjun asked, what is the right way to understand the living being and life? What will done for this? Krishna said, human does not need to go anywhere to understand life and living being. And life is not present in the outside world. The outer world is made just for the living beings. If any human want to understand living being and life properly, then he has to leave the outer world and go toward his inner world. Arjun asked Lord, what is the inner world and what is the way to reach it? Krishna said, the inner world is very simple and clear, where every person reach the truth by reaching, where the fascinate, deceit, greed, and illusion end, where neither there is any friend or nor any enemy. The inner world is the world where all are equal, where there is no discrimination of any kind, where only kindness, love, peace, and joy reached. And that person who attained inner world, he also become the simplest and clearest person in the outer world. He is freed from the greed and hypocrisy of this world. Meditation is the only way to enter the inner world. With the power of meditation and yoga, a person can conquer everything in the world. Arjun asked, with the help of meditation only, a human being can enter inner world? Is it so easy? Krishna smiled and said, yes, only the help of meditation any person can enter the inner world. But it is no easy. Meditation is the most difficult work of the world. It does not belong to anyone. It takes years to do this. But a person who attend it, the attend salvation. I hope you like this video. Then share, like, comment and subscribe this channel. Follow me all social media handle. Link in description. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.